Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about low level security topics like binary exploitation, reverse engineering, etc. 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 So, this is gonna be the first video for the series Intro to Assembly. But let's begin with the motivation. Why learn assembly language? Well, the most important reason is that it helps you understand how your code truly works. Sure, you must be proficient in writing C, C++, Python, etc. And you must be thinking, oh, I already know how my code works. But trust me, when you dive into assembly, you will have an amazingly new perspective. And since my channel focuses on reverse engineering, binary exploitation, and stuff, I feel like I should give an idea about assembly to my target audience. As you might already understand, computer doesn't natively understand English. It only understands the realm of programming. Simply realize that C code is just meant to be compiled. The code actually cannot do anything until it is compiled into an executable binary file. Thinking of C program as a actual program that runs on the computer is a common misconception. And if you know this misconception is exploited by hackers every day. By the way, I'll go deeper into these philosophies and how different assembly language is for different architectures. But for the purpose of this video, let's keep the scope limited. Here I will discuss about x86 assembly language, which is most common, and I'm sure my target audience will be using this assembly language in their systems. I'll describe the differences between these different architectures and how assembly language differ in different videos. Okay, so the best way to learn anything new is to dive deep into it and get your hands dirty. And that's exactly what we are going to do now. You're going to get some exposure on what assembly looks like, and as our series progresses, you will learn how to interpret those assembly instructions. So let me just go into my folder. Yes, let me make a small program. For the purpose of this tutorial series, I expect you guys to know basics of computer programming, basics of programming in C, C++, something like that, because we need a starting point, right, before diving into something bigger. So let me start by writing some basic hello world program. We got our headers. Well, let's just initialize something. Let's say int var1 equal to 0, and let's print this variable. Hello world var1 equal to $d, and we print the value of var1. Okay, let's return 0 here. So we have our program ready. Let's compile it. Okay, let's try running this program. Nice. I should have added a /n at the end. Let's do that quickly. Again, compiling it. Great. So we have our simple hello world program. Additionally, we also have a variable that's getting printed. If we just look at this compiled executable, it's a binary file. Let's see it anyway. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's okay. Too much. I'm sure none of you can figure out what's going on here. For this, let's use a utility objdump. What it does is it just takes our executable and converts it into a human readable version of assembly. So let's generate an object dump for this. See, here you can see a huge list of assembly code. Each assembly instruction refers performs certain tasks, which I'll go in deeper in later videos. But for now, I'm just giving a high level overview what assembly looks like. This is what you will be looking at when as you progress through the series. And if you notice, we had a main program in our assembly. So let's see that. Okay, so what I did there was I took the object dump and I grabbed only the main part and also like 20 lines after the main program. So we have some things here which are not of our concern right now, but this is what we should be looking at right now. So this is our main function. Inside that we have some lines which right now you might not understand, but as I mentioned, as the series progress, you will be able to make out what these instructions do, and you will be able to map it to the C code that we wrote. That way you will have a better understanding how your C program is running, and you will have a better understanding of the overall architecture. Now, I hope you guys stay with me for the rest of the series. This is my first video, so the quality may not be up to the mark, but I assure you, as we progress, the quality will improve. Thank you. Subscribe, I would say. Thanks.